The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Friday, January 10, and our gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 5, verses 12 to 16. There was a man full of leprosy who approached Jesus. He said, "Lord, if you wish, you can make me clean." Then Jesus said, "I do will it. You will be cleansed." Remember what Jesus said? I do will it. Our God wants us to be clean. Our God wants us to share in His glory, in His divinity. How come that we are saying that God will not give you a problem that you cannot carry? Actually, for me, that's wrong, because God will not give us the difficulties. Rather, God will allow us. And that's two different things. God giving is a no-no. God will not give, but God will simply allow. Because to say that God wants us and would be giving us difficulties in our life, it's one way of saying God is the reason for evil. But no, God wants us to be pure. God wants us to be cleansed. And God, in the first place, He created us to share in His divinity. That's why when a man filled with leprosy asked to be healed, he said, I do will it. What is needed from us? What is needed is faith. What is needed is participation. What is needed in our hearts is to allow Jesus to penetrate our hearts. And remember this, Jesus is in control of our life if we will do it. He respects our freedom, but let God lead us, direct us until we reach that original existence of purity, like the first man and woman in paradise. God bless you.